Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. I have this super cute little box for you today. It hasn't got a lid, it is literally just like a little pot, which would be really cute to hold pens. Or actually I was thinking if you had some of those little mini succulent plants you could put in a little pot. I think that would look really cute. So I thought I would share with you exactly how I made this. I apologise for the printer that's going in the background. If you can hear that, I don't know. It's decided to spring into life. Just all of a sudden my printer decides to do that. Isn't it kind? So this is the Tea Room Designer Series, Specialty Designer Series paper that is absolutely beautiful, but it is a thin weight paper. It's much lighter weight than the rest of the paper in the catalogue, but that makes it absolutely perfect for origami style projects like this one. So I have got a different pattern to the one that I have used for this one, so I'm going to have two similar but different pen pots on my desk, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So what we need to do is we need to fold. First, start off, this is I haven't worked out the metric measurements yet, but this is a piece of designer series paper that I've cut to 11 by 8.5 inches. So if you live in America and you use letter sized paper, you could do this with cardstock. We can't do that in the UK. It would still work, but it would be a different size. But I thought this size was really cute. So we're going to fold it in half, kind of with the long side at the top, and just make sure we get those. We need to make sure that everything's lined up nicely, because that will make our box look smarter once it's finished. So I'm going to open that back out again, and I'm going to then fold each side into the middle to meet that score line, like that. I'm not using a bone folder, I am just using my thumb, and the reason for that is because it's such a lightweight paper. I don't need my bone folder. So there, like that. Then I'm going to open all of that back out again. So you've now got 3 folds in your paper. So can you see? It would make a square. Then we're going to fold it back in half, so we've got kind of 2 score lines facing each other, and we need so we've got the cut edges on the left and the folded edge on the right, and we're going to fold this bottom corner up to meet this score line in the centre. Now this you need to manipulate your paper a little bit here, and it can be a little bit resistive. If you were going to use a bone folder at any point, it would be this little bit. And we're going to do the same with the top corner. So this corner here is going to meet this score line here. Okay. And we're just going to bring that down there, like that. Okay. And then we've still got this cut edge here. So we're going to do the same with just the top layer. Okay, and obviously this side's much easier because it's a single piece, and we're going to do the same with the bottom. Okay, so that corner has come to meet that score line in the centre. Okay, then turn it around so we've got like a little house. Okay, we've got the roof and the house at the bottom. This piece, this bottom half, then before I do that, we're going to fold. We've got our little house. We're going to fold on this where we've kind of created an edge. We'll fold those triangles over, kind of keep it all nice and lined up. Okay, so we've got that one there, and we're going to fold it the same across like that. Right, make sure that they're nicely burnished. Then we can fold this flap over like so, burnish that. Okay, so we need all the score lines to look really nice and flat. Then we've got a pocket. Okay, we're just going to push this pocket up. Okay, so we've now got basically like the sides of our box, and you can see where we've got some horizontal score lines. Now we need to just kind of reinforce that fold with our fingers, like so. Okay, isn't this so cute? I think this is fantastic. Right, then what we need to do is these bits here, we need to fold so that this point, so if you're looking at your box like that, we've got 2 points on the front are going to meet this point here. Okay, so if I show you, and we're going to bring this piece out, so we're going to end up with a diagonal line across here. Okay, so that there goes to meet there. Right, I actually think it's slightly easier to do it inwards. So I'll show you the inversion, and you can then use your finger to create the score line. Because it's lightweight paper, it can be a little bit difficult to do this. Okay, so that would be the inversion. Yeah, we've got one out and one in. We both actually need them both to be the other way. They both need to be sticking out like wings. Okay, so we've then got that basically. Okay, then if we bring that together, so we've now got a triangle, we can fold that triangle in, so it's going to tuck under that triangle that's on this, already on the side of our box. Okay, so I'll show you that on the other side. We've got this triangle that wraps around we created earlier on. This triangle needs to fit inside that one. Okay, and it literally just tucks. There is no glue on this whatsoever, just completely holds itself. And then just reinforce those score lines that we've created, and there we have our box. How cute are they? I think they are lovely. Really, really sweet. You could add some of the coordinating ribbon or stamps to these, but I'm actually going to leave them completely plain. I would love to see what you do with them though, so do pop over to my Facebook page, link is in the down bar below, and share your versions with me over there. I cannot wait to see them. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe while you're here, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.